How are we doing, guys? It's Joe from Jordan Bikes. Today I've got for sale this gorgeous Ducati 1199 Panigale. Unreal bike of these, absolutely look outstanding. This one's a 2013 on a 13 plate, only done 7,950 miles, and what a bike they are, as well as looking fantastic, they perform fantastic as well. So this one's got them Brembo M50 Monobloc brakes that you can see there. They've got the Brembo front brake master cylinder, Brembo clutch master cylinder as well, so they stop just as well as they go. This one's got that tinted dark screen on it, it's got a tail tidy. It's just a good looking bike all round. Race bike for the road, we do call them. So I'll give it a quick start up for you. But yeah, even with a standard pipe, they sound unreal. So you've got ABS. In fact, this one doesn't have ABS, I do apologise. This is a non-ABS version, so it's a pretty rare bike. But it's got traction control, it's got quick shifter, it's got power modes, it's got everything that you need. Awesome bike. Anyway, to get it bought, all you need to do is get yourself down to Jordan Bikes or just give us a call. Thank you very much.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.